This is the Bombay Shaving Company Activated Charcoal Facial Starter Kit for a thorough skin deep cleanse. The Bombay Shaving Company Facial Starter Kit is enriched with deep cleansing activated bamboo charcoal for a complete skin detox. It helps to remove blackheads, day tans, unclog pores and deep cleanses. The kit contains a charcoal face wash, a charcoal face scrub, a charcoal face pack, and a charcoal peel-off mask. It is suitable for all skin types. The facial starter kit comes in a box with 4 charcoal facial items. This product is also available in combo options. To use the kit, apply a button-sized amount of face wash. Lather and rinse off with warm water. Squeeze out a button-sized amount of face scrub. Scrub on the skin, and rinse off with warm water. Apply a thick layer of the peel-off mask, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, till it dries. Peel off from the bottom of the face to the top. Apply the face pack evenly, and leave on for 10 minutes or until dry. Wash it off with warm water. Use the Bombay Shaving Company Activated Charcoal Facial Starter Kit for a thorough skin deep cleanse. For further information, visit the product detail page.